and today with ASUS ROG CETRA True Wireless with active noise cancelling, and they are just awesome, Take a look at them. This is ASUS ROG, so LEDs and RGB that makes these earbuds unique that we have seen so far. Also, in terms of sound quality, these are not just any earbuds, they are awesome. They have the loudest volume that I've heard so far. If it's not exactly the loudest, they are on the top of those that we have seen that are best in their class. Besides that, in terms of bass, great, but it's a bass with quality. I can hear crystal clear music, games, and so on and so forth. I did a lot of tests and just an awesome experience. In terms of looks, I do believe that they are really nice. They look like a space station, and then with RGB active noise cancelling, it has 4 modes plus the game mode. It has a light noise cancelling which will block some of the noises but not all. Heavy noise cancelling will block everything, and then we have the ambient noise, which is it will pass through the sounds that we have around. Actually, it will enhance those sounds, which is great, so we can take a listen at everything. And then it has the normal mode, which is the only one that I find boring. It's just normal like any other kinds of earbud. I would not use that. Game mode is just to be used on games, especially those that are not optimized to be delivered through headsets, and in those particular case the ASUS ROG CETRA will do a great job, will synchronize everything. For the other apps, Netflix, YouTube, and so on, so if we are listening, it will synchronize because they are low latency. We don't need to worry at all. In terms of battery, they have a 5.5 duration, the earbuds, and then inside the case we will have a power bank which will last for another 21.5 hours, so a total of 27 hours. And if we use the charging, quick charging for 10 minutes will give us 1.5 hours, which is awesome. We can charge via USB Type-C or via wireless. It has IPX4, so waterproof until a certain point. More information down below, but it is enough if you want to do some sports. Now, we don't need to stay on phone, on gaming every single minute of the day. I enjoy sports, as you guys know, so I do believe that for biking, for running, it's just a great experience. Actually, the music, in my particular case, gives me a different experience of what I'm doing. If I'm running without music, emotions and my sensation is not the same, my stamina is not the same. It's not just any audio quality, it has to be great so that we can focus and bam. In here, for example, when I was testing it out, it's really easy to get distracted from the work because I do put them on. The audio is so good that you easily will be put to another dimension where you are listening to the music, you are enjoying the music, and you start to forget what you were doing, which is okay, I need to test this to see if they are great or not so great, or if there's any issue here or there, lip synchronizations, things like that, but you start to forget because the audio is so good. We can control them, so 1 touch on the right will pause, 2 touches will fast forward, 3 touches rewind, and then we can also control the ANC mode. We can swap between the 4 different modes, and we also have the voice assistant and the gaming mode. Now, in terms of software, you are familiar with Armoury Crate. If you have any component from ASUS with AuraSync, for example, you have seen the software, but in here is targeted at audio. So we have the options of volume, the sound optimization, where we have some presets that we can use, we can change, we can reset. We also have the virtual sound surround, equalizer with audio wizard. We can select that and have advanced options with the equalizers. And if the boost is not enough, which I believe that you don't need bass boost, you can use it right over here. And finally, the gaming mode, and it also shows the battery duration, which is also a nice touch for this kind of setup. That being said, guys, if you ask me, hey Robert, how do this compare with other earbuds that we have seen, because we have seen a lot here on the channel, my opinion is really simple. In terms of looks, in terms of technology, RGB and things like that, it's on the top because we haven't seen nothing similar so far. In terms of audio quality, we have seen quite a few really good on the top, high volume, high crystal clear sound with great bass. These are on the top, but I would risk to say above of the best that we have seen. Really, really loud. Easily, we will be immersed in another world. Doesn't matter if it's games, if it's sports, whatever we are doing, just a great experience. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video and hope that the experience was pleasant as well. And if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.